Are adoption studies better than twin studies for schizophrenia research? When it comes to understanding schizophrenia, a fascinating question arises. Are adoption studies better than twin studies? To answer this, we need to look at how each study type works and what they reveal about the condition. Adoption studies focus on individuals who have been adopted and compare their mental health outcomes with both their biological and adoptive families. This approach helps to separate genetic influences from environmental ones. For schizophrenia, these studies have shown that adopted individuals have a higher risk of developing the condition if they have biological relatives with schizophrenia, indicating a strong genetic link. On the flip side, twin studies examine the rates of schizophrenia in monozygotic twins who share 100% of their genes versus dizygotic twins who share about 50%. By comparing these rates, researchers can estimate how much of the condition is due to genetics. Findings from twin studies also point to a significant genetic component in schizophrenia. Now, let's compare the two methods. Adoption studies excel at distinguishing between genetic and environmental factors. They show how genetic predispositions can manifest differently based on the environment. This is especially important for understanding how schizophrenia develops in various settings. Twin studies, while great for estimating heritability, may not fully separate genetic influences from shared environmental factors. Since twins often grow up in the same household, their experiences can overlap, making it harder to pinpoint the exact cause of schizophrenia. In terms of practical applications, adoption studies provide valuable information on how genetic factors interact with the environment. This knowledge can help shape prevention and intervention strategies for schizophrenia. Twin studies, on the other hand, give a clearer picture of genetic contributions but may miss some environmental nuances. When considering representativeness, adoption studies might not reflect the general population, as adopted children often have unique life experiences. However, this uniqueness can actually help isolate genetic effects. Twin studies typically involve twins who are more representative of the population, but the shared environment complicates the interpretation of genetic contributions. In summary, both adoption and twin studies play essential roles in understanding the genetic and environmental aspects of schizophrenia. Adoption studies may be more effective at examining how genetic factors interact with different environments, while twin studies provide a clear measure of genetic influence. Combining both approaches can lead to a fuller understanding of schizophrenia and its causes.